everybody, welcome here to my channel. I'm very glad to see you today because we are going to make something very cute, a walnut sailboat. It was very exciting to make a boat like that, and I spent the whole day to play with them on my paper C to make a short animation. Let us start together, find a walnut and enjoy the moment of creating. What we need is a knife, pliers, scissors, yarn, needle, 3 toothpicks, wood glue. Be sure it's wood transparent after drying. Wooden bead. Also, we need a walnut. Here, because of summer, all walnuts in market were with husk, but don't worry, I will tell you how we can break it in half. Piece of fabric and piece of toilet paper. For breaking the walnut in half, first you need to find the walnut belly button. I mean the spot that it used to link with the branch, and cut the husk of that part with a knife. Then put the head of your knife in middle of walnut belly button and give a gentle pressure. When the knife finds its position, you give more pressure down and try to open the wooden shell slowly and very carefully. If you have concern about the pigment of walnut husk, use gloves to avoid dyeing your hand, and please be careful with the knife. After that, try to take all the walnut out from the shell. If the walnut doesn't have a green husk, so it's already dry and it's much easier to take the walnut out of the shell. Don't be worried if the first time you couldn't break it in half. After 2 or 3 times training, you will do it better than me. Then you need to remove the green husk completely because we only use the wooden shell. Iron your fabric before using it. Take a toothpick with your pliers, remove both sharp head, whether it might scratch your hand. Then cut the toothpick in half. Cut part of fabric for making sail. The sides must be matched with small toothpick. Flatten the glue on all parts of your fabric. Put one of the half toothpick in middle of it, bend the fabric and glue both sides together. Then put the other half of toothpick in other side and try to stick it to both layers of fabric. Let it dry, then with a scissor cut extra fabric around. Remove sharp side of toothpick with your pliers and sew it in the middle of your sail. And glue stitches to the toothpick. Color the walnut shell completely. Now take a piece of toilet paper, fold it a few times until the sides be fit for inside of walnut shell. Drown it in wood glue and put it inside of walnut shell with a bit of pressure. Instead of toilet paper, you can also use cotton. With any material that you work, be sure it stays inside of walnut shell completely. Glue your bead on top of the toilet paper and stick the toothpick inside of bead. Give more pressure and make sure all together have stuck very well. Flatten the toilet paper surface with your knife and add a thick layer of glue on all parts of it. Then let it dry. Now it's time for coloring the white part of my boat. I want something blue or purple, so I test both colors. And here there is a cute little walnut sailboat. Thanks for watching my video. If you made your own sailboat, please let me know. It's too interesting to see your handcraft. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to thumbs up and comment below. Love you to the moon and see you soon.